Before Easter, the Year 9 students all attended a workshop to help them think about their employability skills. The focus of this workshop was on business and enterprise. We had an outside workshop deliverer come in, and the format was generally Dragon's Den. The students were divided into groups and they had to come up with an idea of a product or a service. They had to design this, think about the costing and the advertising, etc. And some of the ideas they came up with were really quite interesting. I was very impressed with them. And then the second part of it was to go around and present their idea to the other teams in the room. Whilst half of their group was presenting, the other half was sitting behind tables, being the dragons, and listening to the other groups. It was nice to see how, as they went from group to group, their confidence and their way of presenting gradually improved. I think some of the dragons were quite harsh, but then that's what a dragon is. And I think from both ends, from both presenting and from hearing other presentations, they all learned something about listening, about presenting and speaking clearly, about teamwork, working with their team to produce the idea. Lots of lessons were learned.
It's only £3 to buy. You can buy it from your nearest, you buy it from the nearest ice cream seller. We go for 600. 600. 500. 500, and you've got yourself to do.
Alright, you do 500.
They were given some currency, which they were able to give to the ideas that they liked the most. The winning team was then the one who had earned the most points or currency, if you like. At the end of each session, then the winning group were able to stand up and present their idea, their project, if you like, to the whole room.
We also have a shoe range, which is like, so inside is like a carbon fibre base plate, which makes it really light.
And it's 75p to make one. So then our profit would be £2.25, but half of that goes to help clean the ocean, so it would be £1.12.5p.
The students all enjoyed the way that they came up with the ideas. They enjoyed the interaction, the fun activity, working as a team and learning a little bit about business and enterprise as well. And I hope to do something similar in the future.